Your windproof lighter is engineered to work best with Zippo premium lighter fluid and flints. Lighter fluid will evaporate even when the lighter is not used, so be sure to always keep the lid closed, and it's a good idea to refill before each outing. Take caution to do the following away from any source of fire or flame. To fill your lighter, remove the inside unit from the case. Turn it over and lift the felt pad to reveal the packing material in the fuel chamber. Use an unfolded paperclip or small tool if the pad is too hard to lift. Slowly saturate the packing material with lighter fluid. Stop filling when the fluid reaches the top of the packing or begins to change color. Do not overfill. If overfilled, the lighter will leak fuel. Avoid getting the fluid on your skin, as it is a skin irritant. If contact with skin does occur, wash the affected areas promptly with mild soap and water. Insert the inside unit back into the case, making sure to wipe any excess fluid from the lighter and your hands before igniting the lighter. Be sure the fuel can is closed and there is no spilled fuel in the vicinity before igniting. If you plan to keep the lighter in your pocket, we suggest placing it bottom down. Using your thumb, strike the flint wheel in a downward motion to create a spark. If flame does not appear, repeat. Once a flame has appeared and you are finished using it, close the lid to extinguish. This lighter does not self-extinguish, so you must close the lid. Depending on the duration of use, be careful as the lighter may be hot to touch.